The handheld gaming market just got a serious adrenaline shot with the ONEXPLAYER X1 Pro EVA Limited Edition. This isn't just another rebranded device, it's a collector's dream and a performance beast rolled into one, blending the aesthetics of Neon Genesis Evangelion with the raw power of Intel's latest silicon. If you've ever wished your gaming handheld could double as a workstation and a conversation starter, this might be it. Let's start with what hits you first: design. The Unit 02 Asuka-inspired color scheme is bold, vivid, and unmistakably anime. The red and orange chassis, detailed with CNC machined aluminum accents and EVA-specific markings, feels like something ripped straight from an Evangelion cockpit. It's not just skin-deep either, there are dynamic RGB light blade effects that simulate the battle-ready ambience of the show. For fans of the franchise, this is a Grail-tier collectible. For everyone else? It's still one of the most eye-catching pieces of gaming hardware you'll ever see. But visuals alone don't make a winner, power does. Under the hood, the X1 Pro EVA Edition features Intel's Core Ultra 7 255H processor, part of the Arrow Lake H family. This 16-core chip with boost speeds up to 5.1 GHz is no joke. Paired with 64 GB of LPDDR5X RAM running at 8,400 MHz and a 2 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, it delivers a spec sheet that rivals many gaming laptops. Whether you're playing AAA games, editing video, or juggling dozens of browser tabs, this device can handle it all without breaking a sweat. For visuals, the 10.95-inch LTPS touchscreen display offers a 2.5K resolution, 2560 by 1600, with a buttery-smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Games look sharp, animations are fluid, and media consumption is genuinely immersive. It's fully laminated, which means fewer reflections and better visibility outdoors. And thanks to its 16:10 aspect ratio, it strikes a nice balance between widescreen content and vertical productivity. Perhaps the most impressive aspect of the X1 Pro is its modularity. This isn't just a handheld, it's a full 3-in-1 computing experience. The detachable controllers allow for traditional handheld play, but they also separate for a tablet-style gaming setup or can be ditched entirely in favor of a keyboard and mouse. Combined with the magnetic keyboard dock and kickstand, you can easily switch from couch gaming to on-the-go productivity. It's as comfortable playing Baldur's Gate 3 as it is writing a document in Google Docs. Gaming performance is further elevated by the Intel Arc 140T integrated GPU. While not quite on the level of discrete mobile GPUs, it's neck and neck with AMD's Radeon 890M found in other X1 Pro variants. Interestingly, the Arc GPU actually excels in general computing tasks, making this version of the handheld more balanced for creative work and multitasking. For competitive players, the EVA Edition's controllers come equipped with Hall-effect triggers and dual customizable rear buttons. The layout borrows heavily from Xbox, meaning it's familiar, precise, and ready for long sessions. The device also offers top-tier connectivity: Thunderbolt 4, USB 3.2, microSD, and even OCU Link for external GPU support. Pair it with a desktop GPU dock and it's a gaming monster when plugged in. Wireless capabilities are also premium. Wi-Fi 6E ensures low-latency gaming, while Bluetooth 5.2 handles all your wireless accessories without lag or dropouts. This isn't a device that cuts corners, it's loaded with thoughtful features for serious gamers and multitaskers alike. As for availability, the X1 Pro EVA Asuka Edition is a limited-run device. Pricing hasn't been finalized but is expected around $1,649.99, about $400 more than the standard AMD-powered version. That puts it in high-end laptop territory, but you're paying for both the collector's value and unmatched performance in a hybrid handheld. In conclusion, the ONEXPLAYER X1 Pro EVA Edition isn't just another gaming handheld, it's an ambitious leap forward in design, power, and flexibility. It merges pop culture with cutting-edge hardware in a way we rarely see. For Evangelion fans, it's a dream come true. For gamers and creators, it's a portable powerhouse that refuses to compromise. If you want a device that stands out visually, performs like a champ, and transforms to fit whatever your day throws at you, this is it. But act fast, like Asuka herself, it's not sticking around forever.